Hey y'all, it's Yvette, and I have a little box that I want to open. First thing I'm going to say is, OMG, I need a haircut. I am going to start cutting it down to 4 weeks between haircuts because my hair is driving me absolutely bonkers right now. I know if you don't have short hair, you couldn't possibly understand, but it's like, it gets to a certain, you know, and all you can think about is, oh my goodness, I just can't wait to have my hair cut again. Because when you get that fresh hair, okay, I'm just going to stop now, but I need a haircut. Anyways, I got this box from a friend of mine named Kim and her daughter Raeya. And Raeya is the cutest little thing. She is the cutest little thing. And she loves when I open the Cat Lady box. And I have to say, even though, yes, I do love the Cat Lady box, I know I have to open it for her. I have to. And JB, he likes it too. Okay, so I had started to open the box because I've already cut it, and you can start to see right here. But then there was this little note right on the top, and it says, Yvette, if you can, please wait to open on June 25th. Okay, so full disclosure, today's the 27th. I am really sorry. Listen, I try to plan my days, and it's difficult. Like, so many things come up. Anyways, at least it's after the 25th. I hope that's okay, Raeya. I'm being completely honest here. At first I was thinking, just act like you're opening it on Saturday. But I'm really not. I'm really not. It is Monday. And I'm opening it right now, and I'm excited because I can see the paper, and it's tied with fabric, and it's Bonnie and Camille. At least I'm pretty sure that's Bonnie and Camille. Yes, it is. And it's actually Shine On by Bonnie and Camille. Okay, so let me pull this out. Pull it out of the box. And I'll pop that over there. Now one of the cats is going to go jump in. And let's open it. Okay. I'm so super excited. Y'all, Kim had sent me some stuff before. And just based on what she has sent me before, when she said she was sending me something again, normally it's like my first response is always like, oh, you guys don't have to do that. But I want something from her so bad because she's so talented that I was just like, yep, that's still my address. I'm terrible, y'all. Listen, I'm just like everybody else. Who doesn't like gifts? I mean, you know. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold up. Oh my gosh. First of all, the thing is that what she does, she's excellent, probably at everything, to be honest with you, but she does counted cross stitch, and it's amazing. I have everything that she sent me is all over the house, and yeah, anyway, so let's see. There's a whole thing and then like a packet. Okay, what is this? Luminous Fiber Arts, Boohoo, designed by Misty Purcell. Oh my goodness, look at the patterns. Isn't that cute? And it's very simple. I mean, it just has orange and black floss, and it's on this gray Aida, and it's 14 count, which is great. I've actually started using like a really, really bright light to do 16 count, and it has been working. I've been doing it okay. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And then, okay, hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. I think this had like a little thing around it and it came off. That's okay. What does this say? Yvette, this is a flashlight and an alarm that hangs from your purse. It's loud, but might keep you safe as you travel this summer. Oh, I think that's what this is. This little guy. It's this little guy, I think. Yeah, because that's not what this is. All right, hold on. Oh my goodness, y'all, look how cute. So it has a wristlet, or it has a chain, keychain, and apparently if I pull that out, It's a flashlight, and it'll also make a loud noise, which I'm afraid to touch it, to be honest with you. I'm afraid to do it. Is there an instruction that tells me what to do to make what happen? I'm so afraid to touch it. What is this? Are y'all gonna, don't freak out, guys. Okay, nothing. So nothing happened. I think if I push this little black button back here that the light comes on, I think that's what that is, and it probably won't happen until I pull that. But what do I do to make an alarm? Okay, so Kim, you and I might need to talk. If you have this, please let me know what does what, because I'm terrified right now. I don't want to turn this on in the house, because if it really does make something as loud as I think it's going to be, the cats they'll be out of their minds. So I don't want to, I'm afraid I'm going to accidentally do something. So let's talk. Okay. And then, okay. Can't look at that yet because I'm gonna like burst into tears. Now this it says happy birthday all over it, so that's amazing. That's probably why she said June 25th, because that's like my half birthday. Wild cherry flavored lip gloss. I'm putting it all together now, and it's getting to me. So this is one of those pins that you can like pull the to do different color ink, right? And it's got all the little colors around it. I love that. And this is what the lip gloss looks like. Now I've got something open. Oh, these might be scissors. Look. There's a little scissor in the... I don't feel... A lot of times I don't feel worthy of all of you guys. I really don't. Oh my gosh. You guys, look. Isn't that amazing? Look how cute those are. They're beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I love little snips. Y'all gonna know that. I'm just putting together the 25th thing. I'm sorry. Okay, so a little card. Oh, Starbucks. Wishing you a day of multitasking, pampering, relaxing, and indulging all at the same time. Yvette, we thought it would be fun to send you a little happy half birthday card. A day that's all your own. We love you and think of you often. I'm not as active on YouTube these days as I've been helping at Raeya's school. Hugs to you, Jim, and the kids. And then Raeya signed it too. You guys see? And it says... She calls me Cat Lady Box. It says to Cat Lady Box. And this is the picture that Raeya drew for me. We've got a cat on it, a rainbow. so much. I'm gonna like totally frame this. Keep it forever. There's a unicorn journal, which I can always use. Oh my goodness. Stickabilities, die cut stickers. It says cat mom. Here's all the stickers on the back. Oh my gosh, I love those. And she made me a project bag. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And it's all quilted. It's soft, soft, soft. Oh my goodness. You do beautiful work. Oh my goodness. Look on the inside. Oh, it's butterflies. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this might be Sherry and Chelsea fabric. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I totally did not expect this at all. And I just love you guys so much. Like, you've all changed my life so much. And it's all for the better. All for the better. So, Raeya, if you are watching this and you're seeing this crazy lady, this crazy cat lady crying, it's all happy tears. I promise you. You make me so happy. You are so lovely. Your mom's teaching you right. And Kim, thank you so much. I totally did not expect this at all. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. And I promise I'm going to get through a video without crying. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.